Hey streaming family, today I'm going to talk about Ninja 5, Atomos Ninja 5. I've got this, now I haven't owned an Atomos product before because I didn't have a need to own one, but I wish I have had this before, but that's alright. This is 5-inch 4K 60 HDR monitor recorder. It's really nice packaging, and I got this because I want to see myself and also record what I'm, what my camera is doing. I want to record directly from my camera, and also it helps me to see, what is in focus, what's not in focus. It's really a good tool to have. I think every production set or every filmmaker should have one of this. I think most of them has it, and I'm too late, but it's fine. And if you're new to streaming, or if you're new to video production, maybe if you have extra money, just buy one of these. It really helps you a lot. And don't buy if you don't have money. Don't get into debt. If you have a spare money, just buy it. Now, it has a very good packaging. I really like it. It's simple and good. So it says download latest Atomos OS, and then it says register for a warranty, product warranty. Wow, I would like to keep this the cover on top of the screen, but it has writings on it, so I have to take it off. It takes Sony NPF batteries. I have one already. It has an HDMI in and HDMI out, so it's good for a loop out, and mic in or line in, and a headphone out, and a remote and a power button. Simple but really sleek. It's really nice. It has a tripod mount on top that you can mount, I think maybe a light or something, and you have a mount on the bottom to mount it on top of the camera. I would like to keep this, but it has writing on it. Maybe I should get a screen protector, third party, or if Atomos sells one, and stick on top of it. It's really nice. It looks solid to me. Power this thing up and see how it works. So here's the Sony NPF battery. This also comes with the power supply, but I'm going to try this with the battery now. Alright, that's in now. Hold the power button for 4 seconds. Looks cool. So that shows the battery, how much is left, and that's time code and the menus, well, playback and stuff. Shortcuts, they're really good. Let's send the video signal into the Atomos and see how it works. Oh, there you go. There it is. This is cool. I mean, this is straight out of the box, and I really like it. I'm using 18 Mini Pro, so that's coming out from my multi-view. That's the time code. It says ATM streaming bridge. I'm not going to go through all the details. There's tons of videos out there in YouTube, so you can watch them if you want to really go in depth. This is just an unboxing, and I just to say that Atomos Ninja 5 is still worth getting in 2021 and in 2022. I think it'll stay for another few more years or more years. because it's really good recorder and a monitor. You can use this as a multi-view, or if you want to record a camera to your ATEM Mini Pro, just as a backup, you can plug the camera straight into this, and from here you can, if you want to use a microphone input, and also bring the HDMI out to your ATEM Mini Pro or whatever video switcher you have, and you have a full recording of just the camera. And you can control the way to record and what to record on the monitor here, and at the same time you can record in your ATEM Mini Pro. That gives you an option, because when you're switching, this will record the whole thing. If you're away from the camera, this makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of things easier, and as everybody, most of them uses as an on-camera monitor recorder. Or even you can record on an SSD on this device. I'm really excited about this. I can't stress that enough. You can put a SSD, there's a caddy, I think it's in the box. That fan is noisy when you start up and then it goes down, sort of like a white noise. It's not too loud, but when you start the monitor, the sound goes up and then calms down within couple of seconds. There's a little bit. You can listen to it on a quiet space, but most of the time I don't think you'll notice. Not as loud as some of the laptops. Sometimes when you take a laptop for streaming and then the fan goes really loud, it's not that worse. It's better. I think it's better than ATEM Mini Pro as well. But everything combined together can be louder. That's the menu there. You can see that's an input. It's input, HDMI in. It shows the frame rate and resolution and stuff. As I said, there's tons of videos out there. And you can set this up according to how you like. So HDMI out. That's record. That's timecode. File. That's your audio meters. And headphones out, volume. This display is so good. I think it's better than my iPhone in some ways. That's what I feel. It's my opinion. You don't have to agree, but this display is so good. It's very responsive, really good. There's tons of options here. No wonder why a lot of people love this monitor recorder. It's not that expensive, but I think it's worth the money. Now let's see what's in the box. Manual. Welcome to the Atomos family. Yeah, we don't need that. And there's some accessories. Dummy battery. That's power supply cable. That's a caddy for the SSD. I think that's it. You have to go to the end of that box to make this as an unboxing video. So that's the dummy battery, adapter, converter, I don't know, whatever you call it. This looks like a ATEM Mini Pro's or streaming bridge pin. It's your power supply. It is a bit bulky. I wish this is a bit smaller, but it's not enough well. That's alright. You have all the options for all the countries, I think. Most of the countries maybe. So, US. Australian. That's what I'm going to use, so I'm taking that. You can put the SSD in. There's some screws there to screw it. This is good. Okay, you can put any, I think, most of the internal SSDs in, it'll work. There you go. That's all the accessories there. If you're in a place where You can use the power supply, you can use it. If not, you can use it with the batteries. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please let me know.